Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a small C# routine that computes the absolute differences between two integers, but with one twist. If the first number a is greater than the second b, we return double the absolute difference. This is a compact exercise that practices conditionals, arithmetic, and returning values from a method. We'll walk through the problem, the code, example runs, and some small improvements you can make. Let's code. The rule is straightforward. Normally, you want the absolute difference between two numbers, but we add a simple conditional twist. If the first number is greater than the second, we double that difference. This kind of conditional arithmetic is common in small utility functions and interview-style problems. Here's the code. The result method checks if a is greater than b. If true, we compute a minus b times 2. Otherwise, we return b minus a. Because of the conditional branches, we always return a non-negative integer matching the requested rule. Note that the code uses integer arithmetic and is succinct and readable. The function follows a simple branch. If a is larger than b, we take a minus b and then multiply it by 2. That produces twice the absolute difference. If not, b minus a gives the absolute difference directly. This approach intentionally uses straightforward integer subtraction rather than calling Math.Abs to keep the logic explicit for learning. Both are fine. Let's step through the examples. For 13 and 40, the a greater than b test is false, so we return 40 minus 13, which is 27. For 50, 21, the test is true, so we compute 50 minus 21 times 2 which gives us 58. And for 0 and 23, we return 23. The table shows how branch selection changes the arithmetic. Though tiny, this pattern is useful. Sometimes the relative ordering of two values changes how you compute a metric. For example, doubling a penalty when a threshold is exceeded. The function is a good learning tool for conditionals and is easily extended for more rules. To wrap up, we've implemented a concise function that returns the absolute differences between two numbers, doubling it when the first number is larger. For clarity, you could rewrite the code and add input parsing or overflow handling for production code. Great work! Try refactoring the function to use Math.Abs and compare the readability. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.